Welcome back, grade 6. We are still on the multiplication. Now, at the multiplication, you have 1234 multiplied by 123 gives us 151,782. Now, we want to prove that the multiplication is the division is the inverse operation of multiplication. And the multiplication is the inverse operation of the multiplication. So when you go forward to divide, when you go back you multiply. Or when you go forward to multiply, when you go back you divide. It's one and the same thing. So when you take this number, you multiply in the column. There is a video that I have used, I have done for you so that you can see how to multiply in column 1234 by 123 to get a 151,782. Now we have to go back. How do we go back? You take this same number you were multiplying. When you go back, you divide. You take the same number, you divide by this number, you get this number. Or you take the same number, you divide by this number, you get this number. So we are going to do it both so that you will all understand what does the inverse operation means, and we are going to use that opportunity to understand the long division thoroughly. Right. You take this 151,782 into the long division method. Right. You take 1,234 goes how many times into 1,517? It goes once. Because from here you say 1 divided by 1,223. Impossible. You put your dot there. You take your 15 divided by 1,234. It's impossible. You come and say 151 divided by 1,234. Still impossible. You take 1,517, you divide by 1,234, it's 1. Take this 1, you multiply it back, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. What number didn't we use? We did not use 8, we did not use 2. So your 8 comes down and your 2 comes down. You start subtracting here. Let's subtract here. It's 15, 17 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. You minus now. A 7 minus 4, it's 3. A 1 minus 3, impossible. You go and borrow next door. You are left with 4. You come with 1. 11 minus 3 is 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So here you have your 3, 8, 2. I'm taking this out. You come again, you say 1,234 goes how many times into 2,838? It goes twice. A 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8. Subtract. The number that you did not use, you bring down. 8 subtract 8, 0. 3 subtract 6, impossible. Let's use this part on the other side. 2, 8, 3, 8, subtract 2, 4, 6, 8. You subtract here. 8 subtract 8 is 0. This is the 0. 3 subtract 6 is impossible. You borrow from this 8, you're left with 7. You come with a 1. So it's 13 subtract 6, it's 7. 7 subtract 4, it's 3. 2 subtract 0. 2 subtract 2, it's 0. So you have 370. 370. Right? I'm checking this off. You take 1234. You divide from 3770. You get a 3. You take this 3, you multiply it back here, you get 3 times 4, it's 12. 2 carry 1. You multiply this, it's 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 carry a 1. You multiply this, here it's 6 plus 1 is 7. You multiply this here, 3 times 1 is 3. You get a 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 3 is 0. So a 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. The answer is 1, 2, 3. What does this tell us? When you take the product of 1234, you multiply it by 123. You get 151,782. When you take that product, you divide by this one, you must get this one. You see? So this is our quotient. It's the same as this one. Our quotient is the same as this one. So as much as when you can take this one, divide this one by this one, you get that one. Let's go and see it if it comes out alive. You take, now you are not dividing into 1, 2, 3, 4, you are dividing into 1, 2, 3 from 151, 7, 8, 2. Right? It's 151. Let me write it so that it can be visible in everyone's eyes. It's 151. Right? Now it's your opportunity to practice long division, grade 6. A long division, it's not a child's play, it's challenging, not difficult, challenging. It needs you to concentrate whenever you are doing something. So now, here we are expecting to get 1, 2, 3, 4. Because when we divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, we got 1, 2, 3. So when we divide this product by this, we must get 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Right. 1,123 divided by 1. It's impossible. 115 divided by 123. It's impossible. 151 divided by 123. It's 1 time. 1 times 121 is 123. How many numbers did you not use? 3 numbers. 7 comes down, 8 comes down, 2 comes down. Right, we start subtracting here. 1 subtract 3, I'll do it here so that you can all see. I'll do it here. 1, 5, 1, and 1, 2, 3. Subtract that. 1 goes up, 1 subtract 3, impossible. You come and borrow here, you are left with 4. You bring a 1 here. 11 subtract 3, it's 8. 4 subtract 2, it's 2. 1 subtract 1, it's nothing. So we have 28 here. Right? I take off this. We come and say 287 divided by 123. How many times? 2 times. 2 times 123, it's 2. 2 times 1, it's 2. 2 times 2, it's 4. 2 times 3, it's 6. You did not use 8, you did not use 2. Then we subtract. 7 subtract 6 is 1. 8 subtract 4 is 4. 2 subtract 2 is 0. So we are left with 4,182. So you take 418, you divide by 123. You get what? You get 4 times. It's 3 times. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 1. 3. So it cannot be 4. It's 3 times. So it's 3. 3 times 123 is 369. 369. We did not use 2. We bring it down. We bring 2 down. We start subtracting. This one needs us to do it on the side. 418, 369. Subtract. 8 subtract 9, impossible. You come and borrow it from here. You are left with 0. You take that one here. 18 minus 9 is 9. 0 subtract 6, impossible. You cancel your 4 here. You are left with 3. You come with your 1, 1 with the 0, it's 10. 10 subtract 6 is 4. 3 subtract 3 is nothing. So you are left with 9 and 4. Take this off. 1, 2, 3 divide by 4, 9, 2. Suppose you think it's 4. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 4. 4 times 3 it's 12. Carry 1. It's 2 carry 1. Carry 1 here. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. 4 times 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Voila. That's the number. So we have how many times? 4 times. 4. 4 times 1, 2, 3 is 4, 9, 2. We subtract. Get a 0. So this is the product 1, 2, 3, 4 is the same as that one. So it means that when you take the product of 2 numbers, you divide by one number, you get the other. You take the same product, you divide by this one, you get this one. This is what I wanted to show you grade 6, that division and multiplication are the inverse operation of each other. And now you have thoroughly learned how to do a long division twice, this one and that one. It all come up with the same answers. So go back and practice the long division grade 6. It is required for you to pass grade 6. There is a question for long division in your paper, which is going to be written this term by the end of term 1, or it will be required for term 2, or it can be in term 3. I don't know, but whichever way, you are going to get the question which involves you to know the long division. Plus, it is a prerequisite for the next grade, and the next grade, and the next, and the next, up until. So grade 6, I will see you in the next videos. Take good care and practice your numbers. Do not forget to like and subscribe.